Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing unboxing. What are we unboxing? My Ninja food processor. I ordered this food processor because it's really like kind of trendy in a way, and it's something that I really cherish because ever since I started seeing it, I was already like in love with it straight away because I know it's gonna do wonders for me. It's gonna make my life easier when it comes to kitchen because I like to prepare my meal at home. I don't have the privilege to go out there to start like, I don't have that privilege. So I just prepare my meal from home. Okay. And as you can see, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna like fix this, how it's gonna work, how to use it, how I really don't know how it works, but yeah, it's just fine and amazing and I love it. Just for me to imagine that I would be preparing my African food, my Nigeria fufu. I mean the fufu, Oh gosh. I just feel like I'm eating it now just for me to imagine it because I'm gonna prepare the real fufu, not those flour, those already processed flour that we do like get from the supermarket or from the African shop. But this is gonna be like from a yam, from direct from the source. It's not like maybe you're gonna be, no, it's direct from the source. Okay, so this blade, I don't even know how it's work. It's made for the food processor, but I'll figure that out. I have some extra blades, some leads, and yeah, and some I think I don't know what they call it in English. In Spanish it's called receta, like meals that you could prepare with the food processor. So I think it's gonna do wonders. I love it. I love it. And this food processor comes in three, which is for blending, for mixing, I think for slicing. And I think so. So as you can see, I'm loving this food processor. I'm loving it, especially this particular one. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna be crying when I'm making my African food. As you can see me, I've already like prepared my yam. Kendo, get away from there. Take your head off there now. Thank you. So as you can see, my yam, this is yam, okay? Yam, Y-A-M, yam. And I've already prepared it. You can see I'm just blending. This food processor will blend the unblendable. I mean, it can literally blend anything you dream of. Because I've seen videos all over there what this food processor can do, and especially when it comes to our African food. And for me to be able to do it this way is just so special. That means I won't be buying those flour that is that's supposed to be yam flour, but I feel like they're not 100% yam flour. I want to know exactly what I am putting in my body, so that's why I just had to invest in this. And guys, it does worth my penny. It worth it, like really, it really worth it. Look at my dough, my pounded yam, like we call it in Nigeria, is ready. Look, I'm enjoying this with vegetable with prawns, with goat meat. Oh, with mushroom. Oh, don't tell me you're not enjoying this. Don't tell me. Enjoy with me. This is from the motherland. This is from my mama. This is what my mama taught me. Thank you so much. Please enjoy this with me. Thank you. Take care.